robots take orders and flip burgers. World's first AI restaurant opens up in California. Move over, Gordon Ramsay. There's a new chef in town, and it's a robot. Restaurant Caliexpress, the world's fully autonomous AI-powered restaurant, has opened its doors in Pasadena, California. The news has already caused a stir across the world as the opening has resulted in a dining experience that's straight out of science fiction. It should be noted that Caliexpress is the brainchild of Cali Group, Miso Robotics, creators of the world's first AI-powered fry station, Flippy, and Pop ID, a tech company that uses biometrics for ordering. At the opening, the guests watched in awe as robotic chefs prepared their meals from start to finish. The restaurant used cutting-edge technology to cook food with precision and consistency. Consequently, its fry and grill stations are fully automated. And if you're worried about missing out on the human touch, don't fret. The restaurant features a pseudo-museum experience where you can peek in on the robots as they work their magic. Speaking on the occasion, Pop ID CEO John Miller said, "To our knowledge, this is the world's first operating restaurant where both ordering and every single cooking process are fully automated." Miller, who's also a board member of Miso Robotics, further added that the marriage of these various technologies to create the most autonomous restaurant in the world is the culmination of years of research, development, and investment in a family of revolutionary companies. It should be noted that the restaurant isn't just the robots. Caliexpress is also designed to be a fun and inviting place to eat. The place is decorated with experimental 3D printed artifacts and photos, and there are even retired Flippy robots on display. According to a statement released after the launch, Miso Robotics CEO Rich Hull said, "AI-powered robotic order taking and cooking enables the major chains that feed America to substantially improve quality, consistency, and speed."